This is a video that was not made by humans. Neither is this one or this. All of them were edited completely by AI and took me less than 5 minutes to make combined. You have 1000% seen these shorts before, as they all fall into the viral commentary niche. And in the next 8 minutes I will be walking you through a full step-by-step tutorial on how to make these videos without you having to edit anything. So take out a piece of paper and write along, because I'm about to drop some sauce. Phase 1 is clip agriculture. You need to build a farm of clips that you can harvest at any time as much as you want. A good video to use should have these 3 things. First, proven stats. That means that it already has gone viral and gotten more than 1 million views. Second, on-topic clarity. It should not have lots of text on the screen or be highly edited, because the aim of the commentary niche is to take a plain video and add your own storyline to them. Third, your video has to trigger your viewer in some way, no matter if it's done by rage baiting or making him feel sad. But how do you even find these clips? Just like I mentioned, that is by building a farm. See, at some point in history, people have realized it's much easier to hold some animals on a barn rather than chasing them around all day. And this is exactly what you have to do with your clips. You can train your algorithm to only show you content in your niche, so every time you open one of these apps, you only see content that is fitting for your niche. So do this for about 10 minutes. Open any app you want on a brand new account and type in your niche you want to make your videos about. Then, like every single video you see, and boom, every time you open the app, you only get videos that are usable for your shorts. Another method would be to generate all the clips yourself with video generators like Sora or Cdance. For this, you just ask ChatGPT or Claude to give you 30 days of prompts for your niche. Then you can easily copy and paste these prompts every single day to make your commentary videos. If you are wondering if you can even monetize this content, the simple answer is yes, because YouTube supports altered content if you add enough changes to it, and also AI content if it's not just pasted directly from the generation. Also, the commentary niche is one, if not the safest niche on YouTube, and it's definitely not going anywhere soon. Now that you have a clip that fits all of these 3 criterias, let's move on to phase 2, which is editing. And here comes the fun part. We won't even think about opening CapCut or any other editing software, because AI is doing everything for us. To make this possible, we will use a website called virashot.com. It's what I have used to make these videos literally faster than anyone else in the world. And now let's jump over to the website, and without any gatekeeping, I will show you 3 secrets that make my results 10 times better, and only applying the last one actually 4x'd my views. Okay, so now we are here at virashot.com. Just like I mentioned, it's what I've used to make these types of commentary videos that you see all the time. And it already has some cool features like AI video cutting or the script generation that we're going to use. So we're not going to write these scripts ourselves at any time of the video. So for the sake of this video, we're going to use TikTok to find our clips, because most of the time they don't have any captions, but you can literally use any app you want. So let's go and search for something like Navy SEALs. And let's find a video without a lot of captions that we can use. So this looks like a pretty good video because it doesn't have any captions at all. So I'm just going to copy the video link and head back over to Virashot, where I'm just going to paste it, and we're now going to import it. So now it has downloaded the video successfully, and we can add something like highlight the woman getting into the plane. So this is going to be treated as a suggestion for the AI to know what it's going to highlight. And now let's just select a duration, and for most videos that are so long, I would select this duration. But actually this video has very few cuts and is a little bit boring, so we're going to select a 15 to 30 second duration, as I think it's best for these types of long videos, where we're just going to shorten everything together into a 15-second short. So let's click analyze, and this takes about 15 seconds. So the AI is actually able to understand our video and actually create the video for us with script writing and everything else, because we're not going to write our scripts ourselves. As you can see, it's already starting. I think this script is pretty insane. It actually found out who this captain was, but I think I'm going to adjust something about this. Now we can select a voice, and I actually like this voice.
This is the only.
But for my channel, I recommend you to always keep your voices and caption styles consistent, so let's choose this voice. I think it's good for informative content, so let's click continue, and I bet you can't tell these voices are fake. So
what's good, bro? This is the only young black.
Yeah, these voices are way too realistic, so let's click continue. And for the caption styles as well, it's something your viewers recognize you by, so I recommend you to keep it the same for every single video. And this one is actually my favorite caption style, so let's go along. As well as the music, you can also keep this the same, but this doesn't matter that much. For this video, we can use something like this one maybe. but I bet this song is pretty loud, so I'm going to make it quieter. And it's actually generating super fast. Let me just take a bite of the cucumber right here. Oh, it has already finished before I could even eat everything. And let's see what it has generated. Please mind, this is without any editing. This took about 15 seconds to make or something like that. If I didn't even change the script, it would be even faster. So let's see how fast it was done and what the result is.
This is the first woman to ever fly a figure jet this year. Watch how she locks into the F-16 like she was born for this cockpit. I bet she flies faster than you can hit that subscribe button. This is the first woman to ever...
Okay, so I think this is pretty insane. Just look at these captions, how they changed the color.
Jet this year. Watch.
Also, this circle, I think this is something that we can change. But for the first version, this is pretty insane, I must say. And now I'm going to show you the secrets I was talking about earlier. So we're going to go to the effects tab, and as you can see, there's an intro zoom setting. So now if we turn this up, we get to see that there's a much bigger zoom in the beginning, which already hooks the viewer a lot more. And we can also change the sound effect. For example, there's a whoosh that we didn't hear right now. But we can also change it to this awkward impact. However, I think this doesn't fit the situation quite well, so let's choose the whoosh sound effect. Then we have a building on Born, and maybe with the highlight setting, maybe we can also make it highlight these hands that are shaking, and it's crazy. Also, it changes the side where it's on. So now let's just highlight this right here. I don't know.
Watch how she locks into the
No, I think it's better with the circle.
F-16 like she was born for this cockpit. I bet she flies faster than you can hit that subscribe button. This is the...
Okay, I think this is pretty insane now. We can also make the audio a little bit quieter. Maybe... yeah, a little bit. We can also change the captions, but I think I'm going to stay with the captions we have right now. This is pretty insane. We can also leave this extended, but I think this is our final result. I'm going to show you the result right now. We can also adjust our frame rate. So now let's just export it at 30 FPS. So this is the final result we've cooked up.
This is the first woman to ever fly a figure jet this year. Watch how she locks into the F-16 like she was born for this cockpit. I bet she flies faster than you can hit that subscribe button.
The video is finished and looks ready, so now it's time for phase 3, and I will show you 2 things you need to be doing so your videos don't flop. In YouTube, before you upload, make sure your account is already older than 1 week and you have actually used it to watch some videos, because otherwise YouTube will flag you as inauthentic. If you don't do this, you will be stuck at 0 views because YouTube thinks you're a bot and not a real person. Also, if you struggle to stay consistent, I recommend you the scheduling feature in YouTube Studio. The most insane thing is that you can create literally a month of posting within 1 day and make it so every day a video gets posted at the same time. In my opinion, this is way easier than showing up every single day and making a new video. However, it has a downside that you cannot adjust the videos because you've already made them up front. If this video gets enough likes, I can try to make 30 YouTube channels in 30 days while posting once on each channel. That would be 900 videos within a full month. So if you like this video, feel free to like and sub.